G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at possibly Hervey Bay's best beach home, 39 East Street in the popular beachside suburb of Scarness. Let's go and take a look around this stunning home. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most popular beachside suburbs of Scarness. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living within walking distance to the popular Scarness Beach shopping precinct, which includes the Beach House Hotel, Enzo's on the beach, as well as other popular cafes and restaurants along this beautiful strip of the Esplanade and beach. You also have the convenient walking and cycling corridor nearby, offering safe access to essential amenities including Woolworths, Pialba Place Shopping Centre, Fisho's Tackle World, Hervey Bay RSL Club, and the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD. This charming, low-set Queenslander-inspired home has been completely transformed, with nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in this idyllic location. Thoughtfully positioned on an elevated 701 square metre beachside allotment with brand new ColourBond fencing, allowing clear side access through to the large single bay shed with high 3 metre entry, ideal for those with an RV, caravan or a boat. Believed to be approximately 100 years old, this charming cottage was brought to its current location from Maryborough and has been meticulously renovated throughout, including re-stumping, electrical and plumbing, now offering an array of quality appointments including VJ walls and stylish plantation shutters, while maintaining the beautiful original hardwood floorboards and high ceilings as a tribute to the original cottage. Featuring sleek aesthetics and an open, light-filled design, this home offers a fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special. With an intuitive and creative floor plan, there is certainly more than meets the eye with this home. The wonderfully appointed kitchen does form the heart of the home and features a beautiful timber island bench with a breakfast bar plus stylish cabinetry. Quality appliances include an electric cooktop with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. This home utilises space perfectly with an open plan indoor dining and living area featuring high ceilings and split system air conditioning, making the perfect space to enjoy your favourite television series and movie releases. You will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate from the fantastic alfresco outdoor entertaining deck, complete with a built-in bar. You've even got a classic clawfoot outdoor bath to the side, the ideal space for relaxing at the end of each day with a cold beverage. The home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, both with those high ceilings, ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning and a walk-through wardrobe into a lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, double shower heads, a vanity and a toilet. The luxurious bathroom features a shower, vanity and a toilet. There is also a lovely sleep out that could make up a 3rd bedroom when required, along with a north-facing sunroom to the front that will suit a range of uses as well. Those looking to accommodate RVs, caravans and boats will appreciate that clear side access through to the approximate 7 by 6 metre single bay shed with high entry to the rear. The energy conscious will appreciate the 3 kilowatt solar power system, and you've got a small rainwater tank on the shed for general watering. Hervey Bay is the fastest growing regional centre in Queensland, and this home would make an ideal Airbnb holiday rental with the option to purchase it fully furnished, offering a potential annual return of approximately $65,000. Homes finished at this calibre in this location are rare and sure to be in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.